Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this screencast, we'll be sharing with you how to create a mini planet using Photoshop. The first step in the process is finding an image of a skyline. Any skyline image will work. This is just one which we have downloaded from the web. So once you've imported your skyline image into Photoshop, we want to head over to Image Rotation and select Flip Canvas Vertical. That will then flip the canvas. We want to select our skyline image layer and then head over to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates, and then you will notice it will preview our mini planet for us, our effect. If you're happy with it, select the OK button, and then you will notice it's created our mini planet effect and it looks pretty awesome. But you may notice this jagged line in the middle of the planet. So to remove that, we are going to select the spot healing brush and we're simply going to make the brush tip larger by pressing the right squared bracket, and we're simply just going to drag over where it is a little bit jagged. And if you're not happy with the effect, you can just simply keep clicking until it finds a better selection, until you are happy. So I'm just going to ensure that that looks quite good. And then once you're happy with it, leave it as that. And there you go. We've created a mini planet using Photoshop in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.